Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Sylvia here, and in today's video we are going to be doing a ponytail. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe for more videos about hair growth tips, protective styling, and do it yourself hair products. First, I'm just going to go ahead and spray my hair with the clove water and massage it into my scalp. So I have washed my hair the previous day and used hibiscus and aloe vera juice as a leave-in conditioner. So here I'm just going to comb the hair from the tip to the roots. After combing it thoroughly, I'm just going to start with the pony style that I want for the week. Sit back, relax, and watch the video to the end, and give this video a thumb up if you like it, and leave a comment in the comment section. And also let me know if you want to learn how to do the hibiscus and aloe vera juice instead of the mask in the comment section. Guys, clove water has been a lot of help because my hair was weak first, but then after using clove water for some times now, I've seen a lot of changes in my hair. And guys, I am so happy about this hair growth, this achievement about my hair. If you haven't tried it yet, please try it out. I have a video about clove water, how to do it in just 3 minutes, and even apply it when you have braids on. Check it out and try it, and let's go on this journey together. Guys, I love ponytail because it's one of the cheapest thing or cheapest braid you can do, and it doesn't tangle. Your hair will never tangle after a ponytail as compared to braids that you have to sit down and detangle your hair one by one. After a pony, you just have to wash your hair and you are good to go, no tangling. After holding the hair in place with my echo styler and my edge control gel, we are just going to go ahead and do the second part of the ponytail. So I'm going to be using the rest of the gold kinky I bought last week. I'm just going to go ahead and cut the part that I don't want and pull it a bit. Kinky can stretch a lot, so I just pull it a bit to make it a bit longer. After pulling it, I'm just going to tie one end with a rubber band. And voila, here is our end product. So I'm just going to tie that around my hair and hold it in place with bobby pins. Sit down, relax, and see the magic we are going to make with this small kinky braid. So guys, this is our end product. This is how the pony looks. And guys, rate me in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this pony. This is the back. And guys, until I see you guys in my next video, bye.